I purchased the GoPro Media Mod for the so-called high-performance shotgun microphone, but many reviews have demonstrated that the internal microphone of the GoPro Hero 8 actually outperforms the Media Mod's shotgun mic. Therefore, this Media Mod is dead to me. The Media Mod has other functionalities, but I'm not interested in those. So I came up with my own solution as I got tired of using the foam windscreen that goes over the entire camera body.
For this project we're going to use a foam windscreen. This one is for the Hero 7, a neoprene sleeve for the Hero 8, some super glue, scissors and a knife. So I'm going to cut the foam screen to fit it around the holes for the microphone openings. So let's get cutting. Now we trim the foam for a better fit. So before I glue the foam to the neoprene case, I'm going to attempt to cut a hole here on the side so that I have an easy access to the battery compartment. Cuts really easy. Okay, let's try it on and see how it fits. So I trimmed it just a tiny bit more at the bottom here. And now I can open and close it just fine. So it looks like I didn't need my cutting board at all. Anyways, so this is my foam windscreen, which I'm going to glue to the neoprene case. We'll cover the microphone here and here. This one here is a water drainage hole. This one maybe too, I'm not sure without checking it. Okay, so we're going to use some Loctite super glue. I'm going to apply it with the camera inside the sleeve. I hope I won't regret this. Okay, let's check back in a few minutes. The case came off the camera just fine, so we didn't glue it to the camera by accident, so that's good. Now we can see how this performs in windy conditions. Wind test with the naked GoPro Hero 8. wind noise test with our windscreen mod on the GoPro Hero 8. As our windscreen test has shown, this little modification works just great. So if you got anything useful out of this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Thank you.